بون الشجرة. السلام عليكم الشجرة. اليوم أردت أن أتكلم في موضوع جميل جدا. المهم كما قلت today I wanted to talk about how the real mechanism of the sun, earth and moon are connected. Like I said, since young, the relation between sun and earth was fascinating. As a person from the seaside, I'm from the seaside and a sun seeker. We love the sun, all time, always. But growing up at school, we learned that the sun, earth and the moon are related via reflection. So I mean, we all have been taught at school that the sun reflects on the moon to get light and heat on earth. And this is basically how we learn. That's how the relation is. But today I came to talk about my opinion, my own opinion, about those three stars and how they are related, and how this new theory led human to discover another race, another living creation, and communicated with them even. But for it's only for certain agencies, certain spatial agency that had the opportunity to have a contact with this creation, this living creation. Anyway, so like I said, you do not have to believe what you don't have to believe in what I say. Anyway, so the sun and earth and moon are related via an audio transmission. I mean, the sun emit waves, you know. The waves come from a nuclear fusion of the sun, and earth receive these waves and translate it to sound waves. You know, sound waves, a home sound that is received by the moon. So basically the moon is a receiver, not a reflector. Anyway, so basically, like I said, pardon me. Sorry. So basically, Earth, like I said, play a role of an audio transmitter, and Moon play a role of an audio receiver. That you know, because Earth emits sound, like I said, the home sounds, and the Moon receives that home sound. So the Moon is a receiver. So like I said, so if Earth is an audio transmitter, the living creature are a sound particles. We part of a spectrum of a sound particle. So if Earth have her sound particle as a living creature, and human being, we are part of this living creature, don't you think that there is a living creature in a moon that play the role of sound particle in the moon as a sound receiver, and translate sound receiver and translator? So this is how the contact, this is how we are related. And this is how basically the contact was made with this living creature living in the moon, that are more, you know, they more advanced than us, and you know, they export to us the soft power basically. Anyway, but the direct contact, in my opinion, with the living creature living in a moon was made by the spatial agencies that have been into the moon, and are in constant contact with the moon. So this is basically how human discovered the living creature on the moon by by correcting the real theory of the mechanism of how sun, earth and moon are related. And the video did came to the end. I hope I wasn't long. I don't know how long was it. So like I said, I hope my video wasn't boring and was interesting. And thank you for listening. And you have a nice day. Cheers, bye.